Alright, so basically I pulled that whole thing off, and now we're gonna pop that out right there. Pop that out. Ah. Fuck. Recover. Alright, basically I'm gonna show you all what I did to get everything out. So basically, this cable that attaches to like the back of the console, I had to fucking cut with scissors. There was 2 of them. They're like zip tied down so that they don't move, but who the fuck cares? I'll just add zip ties if I need to. And then for the USB, I literally just broke that shit off completely. And then once I broke it off, there's this like little cord right here. And then I unplugged the rest of that fucking, you guys can see that USB residue down there. I just unplugged it. Now we're gonna plug in the new USB. This is the new USB. Hopefully it works. I'm praying. Hopefully you guys can see. If not, I'm sorry. This is not the best tutorial, but it's the only fucking tutorial. Literally ran upstairs and then went downstairs and a fucking bird shit on my car. Dude, my speakers work! Yes! It only took me removing the entire center console. The entire fucking thing. Shout out to my mom. Shout out to the fucking bird that dootied on my fucking car. Yes! Alright. Thank fucking God.